Yeah, bigger bags. Masicka shell down one first, the after them quiet.
A few moments later.
See me I say? All of them places are empty.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Rick, you know, look on the arena, right? That show is almost sold out. What you say, Ryan?
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, I tell the people the baby crooks them run out. Me did think say them a go sell out. Remember they say over one face, you know, over Cayman when do show where there. I think I like when Friday we gone. And them say sold out. So you don't know, say man them pull up all ticket. I pull up Alkaline ticket in a Barclays Center. One bag of man these people, but now go hear down in a video. So look at now. Them are both brag both sold out. Show what them have. Me say watch ya. Over Cayman, I think a Compass Green. See? It plays all about, say basically about 4,000 people. Seeing with security lines and VIP section. See? Cause some of the time, brother, I wouldn't reach them the level here, dog. Barclays for concert a 19 to 20,000 for concert, brother. You see me? Cause I wouldn't reach a level yet. When you start the arenas, yeah, then you can talk. You see me? Just go and relax with the backyard shows. You see me? Yeah. But people want to know hear what them are saying now. You see it? Cause I know things set. A torture.
See there? See settings there for the arena. See them here.
So remember people, this is Crooks man them, you know. Yeah.
See settings there, people, for the arena. Get it back. Yeah. See there? See me I say? All of them places are empty. All of them places are empty. Not to mention the ticket them. Wait. I saw the data fans them cheap, man. The cheapest ticket them buy out already. And then even sell off. Not even the cheapest ticket them not sell off, people. You hear that?
People, you see more while. You see them Crooks man, you know. Them now on the brains, you know. So look at now, people. Basically, he must say the part where you say blank out. At this so mean say yo, no ticket no sell this so. You see more while when them pull up thing and not understanding them not do them research, you know. You understand? The blue part show you the amount of ticket we available. And the blank part where you see, it shows you the ticket them sell out there so. You see me? That's the way it show people. But the video, it will get worse than this, you know, people, because you see, because I'm in them feelings, because look at now, Masicka must perform over Cayman and true nobody no pay no mind, you know. Yeah, come see the performance. I see him. I just see him think. I'm by my line is showing. So the majority of the people I come see him. Just 4,000 people you can say basically. You see me? Yeah. You don't know how them go. The people might forward out see man, but the performance it's still not changed. Not really. The people them just go sing out the song and so same way. But in performing the song, you don't know bag of blank and say man the baddest thing and dash your song. Yeah, that's still there, but yeah, the crowd happy said them see him. You see me? But you would have fool you say.
Not even the cheapest ticket them not sell off. So how I go on? How I go on with the big bad data cam? How I go on? No emotion, people. How I go on? Look at the arena showing no emotion. How I go on? Me think that we're not on it. I feel like I said them with you see me I say? Slap that off long time. You see me I say? Yeah, bigger bags. Masicka shell down one first, after them quiet. You see me I say me G. Quiet. And they show they look shaky.
Yo, I tell you, know, people. Them money pull about 4,000 people. And they are pull up big artists where we are sell out arena. Like say for them artists are sell now. Brother, no they are pull up show. See, last time Mr. Masicka do one show, I'm be in people. I must see less than 300 people forward, you know. You understand? Less than 300 people. You see it? Because I don't know. Because look here. The people them made him show him do a Cayman, see? So the man them in them feelings now. And forward up a pull up show. I mean, I shake me. I say, brother, on a artist just performing. How no get in no feelings through nobody no pay the show no mind. Whether when him do the show at Antigua and the people them call it out. Man, must say you're a bad man, this and that. Now the people them no see the show now. Seeing, come I know people. A lot of people, them not really made Masicka show. The reason why them they even watch out the Antigua show people are just because him they say a little statement. You see me? Boy, my rich and president and him. They followed out with a video. And say something. So the people them say, alright, since you're the king and the this, alright, you're gonna do a show in Antigua. We're gonna see what you can do for yourself. And that's why the people them made him show. Because nobody not really watch him show like that. Because them don't know so him can't, 200 for the performance. You understand? So look at now, they look at one face one when pull 4,000 people over Cayman there. True nobody not talk about it. That's why you see them a pull up Alkaline show, you know. Yeah. If you try to get a hype. But for sure, so then still hurt. Cause if your artist do so good and mash up place, you should not play the video on the channel, man. And that, you should not play a video and say, yo, see it there? My artist mash up the place now. But the Alkaline show on pull up, it shows say you know say an artist weak, nothing no go on. You see me? But here them say people.
You fuck. The whole of them place I'm missing, bro. The whole of them place, I mean, I think you understand. Say, this is not even 40% of the venue. Not even 35. Probably give him 30. I say, maybe you can scrape up on 30% give. Maybe. And they barely make it 30. You see me, I say? Blessings, Sabrina. Big up yourself. Welcome to the swamp. You see me, I say?
People, them man here, them not on the brains, them done. See? So basically what I go on here, so less than 2,000 tickets this year look pan. But you see through them not understand how the arena thing work. Yeah, them, because basically he must say the blank part with this, so he must say nobody not there, so. You see me, when the ticket sold out of them place there. You see, because you don't know, the more blue the thing be, a more ticket. Not because you see the blue means say, yo, 1,000 ticket there are 100. Sometimes I like all 50 ticket and 40 a ticket. Sometimes 60 ticket or 70. You see me? Yeah. But them through them not understand it. And then in them feelings, cause look at nobody not really meds. Cause look at now, remember I last show down at Antigua, you see, because a lot of people and it go viral and people talk about it. But through that one down at Cayman now, nobody not talk about it. So I'm vexed. So that's why you see them a pull up Alkaline show, You see me, I try to get a hype. You see it. But he might go flap himself down in a video. So listen what I go on.
Yeah, man. And a 14 days left for the show, ya people. 14 days to go. And I saw it look. That not look good. I'm not hear them a chat about them show, yeah. Me check the gram now, me G. See what go on.
So, me not understand this. Then this a man a crux man and he say, nobody a chat. Here, we a chat about the show. He man pull up the show, remember, this a no Masicka show. Alkaline show this. You see it? But, you heard, say, even if the people them never pull up a one first show. People, imagine your artist, imagine you say your artist just shell down a show and you can't even, people, imagine your artist, you say your artist just shell down a show, right? And you can't even pull it up. Imagine you can't even pull it up. You know what you pull up? The apps, ticket sales. It show you, brother. When an artist now go win a bag and nothing, bro. You see me? That's why you pull up Alkaline show ticket them. Because if Masicka the real go on with that thing the real way, we don't have time for you to pull up Alkaline ticket them. We don't just hurt, dog. That's how the thing said still. You see me?
You see me, I say? Choir settings, man, the people them must sing. Judge the apps them can't say a word, Rick. Apps them can't say a word about the performance. Rick, you know, look on the arena, right? That show is almost sold out. What you say, Ryan?
Yo, dog, we tell the people. Yeah, somebody that chat tell me say, yo, you already think wrong. You see me? It shows to sell out. Rather me getting like a beer shaking my chat for the panel, you know. The man have to correct him dog, but duds.
This I show you almost sold out. What do you mean? Me not look on the right. With all of them empty seats, yeah? Image, what do you mean by that? Well, say blue I available part and the red them over. So
People hear what they read them.
that means a 60% sell out then. If I blue are available. You see me I say? Red a refund. Yeah, refund. You can see sign, the circle in it, bro. The circle in it blue, in it red, a refund them there.
Man say, brother, yo dog, we have to say everybody a driver dog. The man say the red color of the ticket them a refund to bombard. Brother, resale them, brother. Resale. You understand? People just maybe buy a high percentage of ticket, we buy, you see me, they maybe pay feet at a high cost and then them sorry, I go sell it back and you know. Yeah, try make a food. That's how it go with tickets. Say. People always a buy ticket and sell it back and then we get a cheaper ticket and sell this. You see what I'm trying to say? But you see true them not understand people like that, you know. Them not understand how them, cause you see crooks them not really used to selling out arenas. So them not go really know and understand how them ticket thing a work. You see me? Yeah, so them just a learn, you know, you see me? Yeah, Alkaline make them a learn about ticket card. Them artists they reach them a level yet. You see it?
Well, if the blue are sitting there, that means they show 60% or 70% sold. Except for them see that I still only see that missing, bro. No 100% gone. I still only see that missing.
Yo, Jano dog, Jano brother. I don't know who the them man it. The man say blank space need for sell out when it a show say it sell out there so. Zane, you know how I read it people? I'ma tell you. I read it like say you have a drone and the drone they over one stadium, right? And the drone a point down on the stadium. Him would have see the blank cheer them. Yeah, so you might do it in it. When you see nobody in them set a cheer, you say, alright, nobody not there so. But the blue spot them, you don't see people. But I know so this work with the ticket. Where you see the blue thing them means say are the ticket available for this so. Where you see the blank spot them means say the ticket them sell. People take that spot they are ready. You understand? But through them they really have the brains. You see make a crook's brain small. You see it? Yeah man, I won't think them though. You see me? Them yell like on them teeth show, that's all. You see it?
You see me I say? Yeah man. I still only see that missing me G. Them to put in their work. So they can't say they sold out arena. They still can't say they sold out arena with that many seats missing. Better still have work for the whole heap of seats still left the stuff to sell me G. You see me I say? Yeah man, whole heap of work still left the stuff to sell. One thing with iPhone, you know, man. You see me I say power in the general music. Power in the DJ music. You see me I say? Yeah, enough people realize that and I try to dump up the thing, but it can't work. A fire in our palm like Shango out here. You see me I say? Yeah man, a fire in our palm like Shango. People there, after always hate. Them can't go talk nothing about chief performance. I remember said great performance, Ramos. What you mean? Say? And the DJ only gets better. I drain people energy.
Yeah man people. You don't know anything said. That's a bag of ticket watchers, is it? But the crux them wouldn't reach them a level yet, bro. You see me? So we have to just low out of the league, is it? Whenever we can pull up on our own arena, yeah, then we can talk. But we're not ready. Remember say a man make you can perform in the arena, you know. Is it? Yeah man. Remember say a man make you know. If man no keep showing no arena, you know, man calling up on stage. And man have a headline show for you see me? When you can headline on one show in the arena, yeah man, them time you can hold. There could be a conversation right there, but no, just go on easy with no look a backyard show them. You see me? Yeah. No look a skimmage show them and them look a thing. We no go on not do nothing. Yeah, but the arena thing on a phone yet, you see it? Yeah, I'm not ready for them league. Corner league, not deal, you see me? Big league. So just go and do the thing. But people, as I say, go get in the ticket at less than 2,000 ticket left. And them a go fast. You understand? So, you have to do what you can do, people. You see, because at the end of the day, you can't miss the moment, you know. I tell you, because it's going to be a historical moment, you see, because you don't know a 10-year anniversary, you know. Yeah, man, I remember I said the album will forward soon. You see me? Album will forward soon, so look out for that. And remember I said the Alkaline app as well. I have to look out for that as well, too. You see? You don't know the data things there already. You see me? Yeah, man. So make sure you go get on the ticket for March 21st. You see it and how it go to work. You see me? But people, when I see it, I can't believe say man, I'm talk about for them like 4,000 crowd. You can't see man out here I sell off arena and I come size up about show and brother selling 4,000 ticket at chicken thing that brother. That's not nothing fam. You understand? That's not nothing. I don't know when to really hype up. But I understand still. When an artist perform, you know, it's not a thing when nobody really meds him. Actually, look at last show for Antigua and run off your mouth. So people them say, alright, since you run off your mouth and tough, we're going to see where you go perform at the show. But if you realize with that one year over there, so you might talk about, yo, show this and right. I see his show, I say, yo, same thing man I perform, brother. You see me? I just threw in my headline, so you know people them go hype him up and them look a thing there. Is it? Yeah. So, I know me not really know what they matter about. Because at the end of the day, the man just sing and a dash song. And I him a headline the show. You see it, so. I just a bag of chatting on the internet, you see me? But you don't know the work go already. You see it, you don't know say you are one media facts. You see it, there's no other. You see me? Yeah man, and just go get on a ticket for the Barclays show. And remember people, up to the line. You see me, March 28th. Make sure it's on a rollout. You see it? When the tabasa go there, you don't know Police Officers Club. You know, if you don't know Devon House up the road from Devon House, is it? Yeah man, you don't know that it's gonna be a different thing, different moment this as well. You see it. So as I say, just go get in a ticket man, cause it now go normal. Is it? But when you don't know, I want media facts pan the app, man. You don't know a thing set. Yeah man, that is it.